Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this super easy but extremely delicious lemon herb butter shrimp. Guys, this recipe is amazing. You definitely need to try this one. And today I am going to be using Mr. Stick's Just Add Butter seasonings. Yes, you heard me right. Just add butter. So Mr. Stick sent me 3 different types of seasonings, but today I am going to be using the Just Add Butter Steakhouse seasoning herb and garlic, and I'm also going to be using the lemon and garlic to season my shrimp. So if you want to grab some of the seasonings, click on the link in the description box below. Okay, so let's get right to it. So to make this recipe, you need to have your shrimp cleaned, deveined, and peeled, of course. And to my shrimp, I am going to be adding some salt, some freshly cracked black pepper, some paprika because I love the color that it gives my shrimp and I just like the little spicy kick that it gives it. And of course, because I love to live on the spicy side of life, I'm adding some minced jalapeños, but it's optional. And to really get this going, I am adding my Mr. Stick's Just Add Butter Steakhouse seasoning herb and garlic, and I'm also going to be adding my lemon and garlic Mr. Stick's seasoning in there, guys. I'm telling you, so good. That packs a punch into your seafood. It tastes so good on every seafood. So good. You don't even need to add lemon. That's all that you need. So to finish this up, I'm going to add some olive oil and I'm going to give this a really good mix, and I'm going to set it aside to marinate for around about 30 minutes. It's shrimp. You don't have to marinate it for so long. 30 minutes is just fine. Actually, you can actually let it sit for less than that, but I let it sit for 15 minutes. So while my shrimp was marinating, I'm going to go ahead and make my dip. And of course, I am going to be using my Mr. Stick's seasonings again to make my dip. So I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of lemon and garlic seasoning, and I also added 1 teaspoon of the herb and garlic to my butter. It was so good. It is restaurant quality, guys. Restaurant quality. So heading over to the stove, I added some cooking oil to my heated pan and I used that to begin to saute my shrimp. So because my shrimp was ginormous, I sauteed it for round about 3 minutes on each side. Then after the first 3 minutes, I flipped it over and let it go for another 3 minutes on the other side. So a total cook time of about 6 minutes. And of course, you have to adjust your cook time based on the size of your shrimp. So when my shrimp was almost done, I went ahead and added some butter into the shrimp, and I used that butter to deglaze my pan, and I finished it up with some parsley just to add some color to my shrimp, and we were done. I'm telling you, this entire thing was done in less than 20 minutes. So good. So this is my shrimp all served up with my lemon garlic herb butter dip. I'm telling you, it tastes so good. You can literally pour this butter on anything and it will make it taste good just because of Mr. Stick's seasonings that I added in there. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to hit the like button, leave comments in the comment section down below, and of course, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Support a sister. And also, if you'd like to grab any of these seasonings, be sure to click on the link in the description box below and grab one for yourself. I love you all. I'll see you guys in the next video.